Let's say that you have a kick that goes through the air, and you know the initial velocity is 40 meters per second, and the kick ends up landing 50 meters away. And we want to know what was the angle that it was kicked at. Well, we can do this by using the range equation. The range equation relates the distance it traveled with the initial velocity and angle. The range equation is delta x equals v squared times the sine of twice the angle divided by the acceleration to gravity. In this problem, our delta x is 50, and our angle is our velocity is 40 meters per second. We're solving for the angle, and we know that gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. We want to get that 9.8 out of there by multiplying both sides by 9.8. And we get 490 equals 1600 sine 2 theta. We divide both sides by 1600, and we get 0.306 equals sine 2 theta. We want theta, so we got to peel that sine away. We do an inverse sine of that side. We have to do the inverse sine of the other side. And we're left with the inverse sine of 0.306 is 2 theta. Take the inverse sine, and we get 2 theta is 17.8. And the last thing we want to do is divide by 2, and that tells us that the angle is 8.9 degrees.